In this video, you'll be learning how to withdraw your PAWS airdrop to your exchange. Okay, so this video will be using Bybit. One of the reasons why we'll be using Bybit is because of the bonus that will be given to us. I think around 10,000 PAWS or 15,000 extra PAWS. Okay, so that's the reason why we are going to be using Bybit for this withdrawal. So I would advise you to do the same. Bitget, I think Bitget is also giving between $5 to $100. Okay, I think that should also depend on the quantity of your allocation. So what you have to do is to click on the link that will be given to you in the description or comment section of this very video. So you click here after this page has loaded, which is the PAWS community page. So you click here, then you click on PAWS Telegram app. You click here and then you click on Telegram, so which is here. Click continue in website. So when you click continue in website, it will take you to the community page where you can now claim your tokens. So this is the community page where you claim your token. Okay, so all you have to do is to click on next here. Okay, just click on this blue icon, next, and then alright, so when you use the link in the description or comment section of this very video, you are going to get to this PAWS community page for your claiming. Okay, so if you have not gotten to this page, all you have to do, just click on next, and it will take you to Telegram. Okay, then from Telegram you will get to this page, then you click on next. So now I will be claiming to Bybit exchange. So you click on claim, and then you click I have read and accepted the PAWS token airdrop, then continue. So you are going to be choosing a centralized exchange. So this is where we are withdrawing to. Then you select Bybit. So other exchanges might come up later on, but for now these are the two verified exchanges that we can withdraw our PAWS to. First one is Bybit and the other one is Bitget. So I'll be using Bybit for this tutorial, and then it will ask you, do you have a Bybit account? Yes, I do. If you don't have a Bybit account, please click on the link in the description and you'll be seeing Bybit registration there. So you click on yes. So it's telling me to insert my Bybit UID and deposit address. So first of all, I'll be going to Bybit to copy my UID. You click on home, you scroll up to this top and click on the profile icon. Close to your profile icon, you'll be seeing UID. Okay, under this SHO ****. So you copy and then you come back and paste it here. And then the next one is your deposit address. So guys, if you guys are having issue loading your account, just use VPN. Just use VPN and you'll be able to log into your PAWS dashboard. So you click on assets, and then you click on deposit, then deposit crypto, then you search for PAWS, PAWS. So this is it here. You click on PAWS and then you select Solanda. Just click on Sol, SOL, and this is your wallet address. So I'll be clicking on OK here. So just copy this wallet address, and then you come back here and paste it here, and then click on continue. Okay, so continue, then confirm. So a 3% fee from your PAWS balance will be deducted for this transaction. Okay, so expect your withdrawals to your exchanges by 18th of this month. Okay, so this is the same process you're going to use for Bitget or any other upcoming exchanges on PAWS. So you click on finish, and then here we are done. So see you in the next video.